I'm just saying that's what caused. When you get into this level and you start closing airports, I'm telling you, the Congress people will go nuts, and we will get a deal.
They're not closing the airports, but they are reducing the number of flights.
Well, I'm saying if air traffic controllers don't show, it took only 10 to
No, it was in early 19, as you mentioned, and it was about DCA, the flight patterns hitting the Washington, D.C. metro area. That got their attention.
When I looked at that list, I was thinking it was going to be Erie, Altoona, maybe Harrisburg. No, it was actually larger cities. It's like every city that you'd fly from.
So you think history rhymes here?
Yes, absolutely.
So you're calling for the end of the shutdown?
Absolutely. You can't go through this. There's too many there's too many Republicans and Democrats who are going to get this is something they complain about. Even the lumpen proletariat complain about planes.
We're going to watch it. They had a nice little run yesterday, but we'll see how travel. We got a lot of travel-related names too, Hyatt and some others to look at.
No, and look, I've got to tell you that this thing, when I saw those Challenger layoffs, that can't just be people just saying AI. I mean, there is really in this country a sense that this thing is really causing
the shutdown, you mean, on labor?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, the Challenger layoffs, we saw the government data, but it's the most for an October since 03, the most for a quarter since 08, and, of course, the most for a year since 2020.
Yeah, look, I mean, there it is. I mean, one of the reasons why two-thirds of the stock market keep going down is because the country's slowing down big, and the president may not be aware of this. When Neil Gorsuch asked questions, Neil Gorsuch,
I'm aware, Supreme Court Justice. I think I could name all 9 of them.
You're thinking about Gorsuch, the catalog, okay?
No, I'm not thinking of Gorsuch, the catalog.
No,
yes, the arguments yesterday in the Supreme Court in terms of his use of IEPA for the tariffs did not go. Now, the Trump administration said they thought they went well, by the way.
Yeah,
the president and Scott Bessent, Treasury Secretary, who was in attendance. That said, given the nature of the questions and who they were coming from, there are many who at least say, it seems certainly possible that the Supreme Court will uphold the lower court ruling saying this is not the correct usage of the statute.
That's how I read it.